If you watched my videos, in previous video I made leveling in this hallway and living room. Now we're doing installation. Very interesting situation. Have a look how to make it parallel. So hi everyone. If you remember, on Friday I did leveling and now I'm going to start installation laminate floor. So I already removed in this area all foam, clean up and prepare for installation. So here is one important thing I want to tell you. So here is the living room and here is the hallway and right here is doorway, you see. So when you come in, you have to see the long straight line. Sometimes hallway little bit crooked from the outside wall. So most of installation is we start from outside wall because outside wall is pretty straight. But I didn't measure that wall, parallel or not parallel, this wall. I just made a straight line, you see. I did marks, 1, 2, 3, there is 4, and there is a last one, and then I made line. So all installation from that side I wanna start, I will do parallel with this line. So here is the two options. We can start from this side, install this way, and then go this way. Or we can start, easiest way to start from that wall, I mean balcony window, and go this way. It's much more easy because all installation will go into one way and you don't have to install backwards. So okay, so now you understand. So if we have hallway, we have to make straight installation to the hallway. It should be nice line because when you open door, you have to see very straight line and parallel to the wall. Sometimes wall very crooked and then just wavy, but anyway it should be really straight, not like with angle. When you come to here, it's gonna be, you know, some angle, some degree. It's not really awesome and it will be so much problem. So let's go. First of all, I wanna put underlay. Here is the underlay, you see. Then I do 3, 4 lines, and then I will set up this line parallel to that line in the hallway, and then pre-cut, you know, close to the wall. It looks like not really nice and straight. No, we will see. So let's go. If you do it the first time, buy material which is not click, just overlapping, like here. You see? You just put it and overlap it. That's it. Here you see damaged board, so don't throw it out. You can use this board from other side. So I install full 50.5 and now I will put this 75. When I finish these 4 lines, I tape it to this floor. You know why? Because if when I start moving one side to or another side, it can be unlocked because it's laminate floor. That's why I did it. So then I measure with tape measure from that red line what I made in hallway, and move one side and another side a little bit to make exactly parallel this red line. This laminate floor, and then I make marks. You see the red arrow on the wall. I made it from one side and another side of this room. So why I made this line on the wall? Because now when I need to move these 4 lines of laminate flooring, I can easily move and then put it back. Why I will move it? You see, it's easy to move and slide line in. Don't forget put boxes on that few first lines what you did. Why needed? Because this floor is floating and it can be moved, you know, if you don't push it down. So in this case I put few boxes and it's very stable, and now I can follow my installation. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.